Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you for joining me again this week. This week I wanted to remind you we have our annual open house coming up at the end of the month. So it'll be on Saturday, May 25th and Sunday, May 26th, and it is running from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. both days. I will be here on both days from about noon to 3 o'clock. So if you wanted to stop in even just to say hi and meet me, or if you had any questions you wanted to ask, or even get a nail art demo, I am available from 12 to 3 both days. And of course we have tons of sales going on. It is our biggest sale of the year. Literally almost everything that we carry is on sale, so you don't want to miss out on that one. So make sure you mark your calendars. It's the 25th and 26th, 10 to 4. And with that being said, I'm going to jump into a little nail art tutorial today. I don't have anything really new and exciting to show you, but I just was brainstorming and came up with this look this week, so I hope that you enjoy. Thank you again for joining me this week, and thank you for always liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below, and don't forget you can also support us by liking us on Facebook and following us on Instagram.